Hey guys, I am really excited because I want to do a quick video right now, and then I'll dive into some of the specifics in the next segment. But I want to do kind of a quick video to share with you how you can actually make $3,000 in a couple of hours of work, so about $1,500 per hour, selling lease option deals or a contract that you would have without using any of your own money, and even if you don't have your own buyer's list. So without using money, without risking your own money or somebody else's, without using your own credit, and even if you have no buyer's list at all. So a couple of years back, I did a deal that, while some of you might go, oh, $3,000 is not a lot of money, it really is when you are not putting any of your own money into it, and you're really not even putting that much time. By the way, if you're wondering where the noise is, this is my son, and we're at the park today, as we are pretty much every day. And I'll get into that in some other videos as to how we're able to do that and still do deals and all that kind of stuff. But so yeah, a couple years back, I did a deal where was able to make a couple of grand, $3,000, $1,500 per hour. It's about 2 hours into the deal, no money. And all I did was use one single document that allowed me to lock up a property, gain legal right to the property that I could then turn around and sell or assign to somebody else, transfer that right that I had to somebody else. And so that's really what I wanted to share with you. So in the next segment, what I want to do is just kind of show you some of the specifics and how you can structure that and how you can control deals without leaving your house. And so I've been doing that for 9 years. I haven't had to leave my house, whether it was a real estate deal or whether it was, sorry, I'm just making sure my little guy who's eating his peanut butter sandwich along with all the dirt that he's also putting in his mouth too. I've been able to put deals together no matter what business of ours that we're working on without leaving my house. And so, good grief, I think it was about 9 years ago that I actually met any of my clients. Since then, it's been all from home. And the reason is not because I don't want to talk to people or meet people. It's because I really want to enjoy things that I like to do with my family that I wasn't able to do as a realtor years ago. So years ago, I would work 14 to 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I had no time freedom. So I had the money. I would close 3 to 5 deals a month, but I didn't have the time freedom, and I wasn't able to enjoy my life. And I always had the dream that I would be able to work from home and be able to spend time with my son that I didn't have at the time. But say hi, buddy. But now I do, and spend time with my wife, which I didn't have at the time either, and now I do. And so I always knew that working 14 to 16 hours a day wouldn't work. I needed a better way, and so I learned wholesale real estate investing, but specifically doing it virtually from home. And I learned how to essentially create money out of thin air using a one single page document. It's a lease option memo, and below this video, see a link so you can get it free and just download it, take a look at it, consume it, and pay absolutely nothing. It's absolutely free. And take a look, see what you think, and if it's something that you're interested in, definitely check out some of the other stuff that I share on how to do what I was doing a couple years back. Thanks.